Good morning, it is Saturday, February 3rd. It'll be just me filming today. Daniel has a project going on at the house, so Jake will be in the shop with me, but just me filming today. So today I will be getting some liner material glued up onto the draft bone for this MagnaCut kitchen knife, which is a custom. Heard back from the customer, didn't have time to get it done yesterday, so I will get that glued up today. And then I'll start or continue the handle prep for the rest of that. I did have a tiny bit of time to get some grinding done on these 3 everyday carries for stock. So I'll be going up to 400 grit next. Super stoked by those. They are coming along really nicely. And then I also had time to work on this refurb for a regular customer of ours. So I got the micarta, got it where I needed it to, got all these clearances down to where they were nice and tight and then glued up. So I will be shaping that today, or if I have time, I will be shaping that today. I should preface that with. If not, then I'll be finishing it on Tuesday. It's literally just bringing this down to the shape of this and then just contouring this a little bit more to where it's nice and comfy. More to match the carving knife I had done for him as well. If I can get that done, cool. If not, no big deal. I get it done on Tuesday. Now, outside of that, here we go. We are going to go into the old showroom, or what we call the finishing room nowadays, and we're gonna look at some new knives we have that just came in. So these are not in stock yet. They literally came in at like 5:30 yesterday, towards the end of our day. We have the new Kershaw knives. So these just came out in the last couple of weeks. So they came out with, this is the Iridium, and they came out with a Reverse Tanto, because the base model is a spear point. Then they came out with the Belair, which this is in MagnaCut with a cool little black wash that they do, with aluminum scales and their Duralock, and at an excellent price point. So the price point on this is going to be very similar to the price point of Benchmade's Bug Out, with higher end scales, a higher end steel. So we'll see how that goes. But I mean, there's a lot of talk about it right now. And then they came out with 2 new live wires, both in MagnaCut. And this one is the carbon fiber edition, and they did a satin blade on that one, which I love because MagnaCut does not need a coating. And then they came out with a double-edged variety. So most the other 2 are just a nice spear point, but false edge on the back. This one has an edge top and bottom, so no using it like a utility knife. But if you want that more tactical look, there it is. Daniel and I talked a very little bit about seeing if we could do a blade swap on some of these, to see if we could get one of the black blades on the carbon fiber, if not the dagger on the carbon fiber. We may play with that next week, but you'll see if and when we do it. But we probably won't talk about it until we do it. But just a little teaser, because we're interested. We are interested. So if any of those tickle your fancy, let us know. You know where to see them online. A note, the automatics will not be on our website. You've got to either come in or call about those. We can't sell out the fronts or automatic knives on Shopify, so that is what it is. It's just one of those hurdles we have to fight with on a regular basis. Other than that, thank you for a great week. I'm going to wrap it up here, and we will see you next week.